Students, today's our topic is surface area. First of all, we will see what are the surface areas of different shapes. Correct? So first of all, we are taking here cuboid. You know very well total surface area. Total surface area of cuboid. This will be 2 in bracket L into B plus B into H plus H into L. If length, breadth and height are L, B and H. This is small h, small l, b and h. So total surface area will be 2lb plus bh plus hl. You can see this is a cube, correct? If all the sides are equal, correct, l, b and h are equal, so you can say this will be a cube. So total surface area of cube, this will be 6a square. Students, area of one surface will be a square. There are 6 surfaces, so area of 6 surfaces will be 6a square. Now we have a cylinder, and students, you know very well there are two areas. One is curved surface area and second is total surface area. If we are finding area of this surface, correct, this surface, curved surface, so this will be curved surface area. Curved surface area, this will be 2 pi r h. And if you are adding area of two circles in curved surface area, so you will find total surface area. So total surface area, this will be 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. Now we are seeing the formula of cone. Students, you have seen this type of shape, correct? This is radius, this is height and this is length height. So first formula of cone will be curved surface area, this will be pi r l, and second formula, this is total surface area, this will be pi r in bracket l plus r, and there is a relation among l, r and h. You can write here l square is equals to h square plus r square. So students, these are the formula for cone. Now we are seeing sphere. Okay, sphere, you have seen football, basketball and these type of shapes, and radius PR. So number 1, total surface area and curved surface area both will be same, and this will be 4 pi r square. You can see this is hemisphere, means half sphere. Hemisphere, number 1, curved surface area of hemisphere, this will be 2 pi r square, means curved surface area, correct? And we are adding area of one circle in curved surface area, so you will get here total surface area. So total surface area will be 2 pi r square plus pi r square, this will be 3 pi r square. So students, these are the formulae. Once we are repeating one time, total surface area of cuboid 2lb plus bh plus hl. Total surface area of cube, this will be 6a square. Curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h. Total surface area of cylinder, this is 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. And curved surface area of cone, this is pi r l. Total surface area of cone, this is pi r in bracket l plus r. Then sphere, total surface area, curved surface area both are same, 4 pi r square, and hemisphere, curved surface area 2 pi r square. Then total surface area will be 3 pi r square. A vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted a hollow cylinder. The diameter of hemisphere is 14 centimeter and total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. Students, according to this question, we will make a figure. We have a hollow hemisphere, correct? We have a hollow hemisphere and we have a hollow cylinder mounted on the hemisphere. And students, we know very well the radius of the hemisphere be r, this is also r, and height of the cylinder be h, correct? And the total height is given here 13 centimeter. What is the total height? Total height is 13 centimeter. This is the total height h plus r, correct? And radius is given here, we know very well, Now given h plus r is equals to 13 centimeter, and the value of radius, what is the value of radius? Because diameter is 14, so radius will be 7 centimeter. Correct? Students, if we have to find total surface area of this vessel, so we will use a concept. We will do painting on the surface of the vessel. If I am doing painting, this is a hollow cylinder and this is a hollow hemisphere. If I will do painting on the surface, so now curved surface area of the cylinder and curved surface area of the hemisphere, this is the surface area of this vessel. Now you will write here total surface area of vessel. This will be CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere. Students, now we know formula curved surface area of cylinder. This is, you know this formula, 2 pi r h plus curved surface area of hemisphere. We know very well, this is 2 pi r square. Correct? So this will be the total surface area of this vessel. Now what is common in both the parts? We can see here 2 pi r is common. In bracket we can write here h plus r. Now the value of pi, this is 22 by 7, and the value of r, this is 7, and h plus r you can see here 13. H cancel out. We will do multiply. Now this will be 44, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4 into 13. Now we are doing calculation. 13 into 44, 4 3 is 12, 1, 4 1 is 4, 1 5, and this will be 2 and 5. So this will be 275. Then total surface area of the vessel will be 572 centimeter square. Okay, this is the area, total surface area of this vessel. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius, means radius of cone and radius of hemisphere is same. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. They are saying find the total surface area of the toy. Students, according to this question, we will see we have a toy. This is in the form of a hemisphere. Correct? And a cone is mounted on the hemisphere. Now this radius is given here. Suppose this radius be r. Correct? This radius be r and height be h. Students, we know this is also r. Correct? This total height of the toy h plus r, this is 15.5. This is given in your question. Correct? Now what is the value of radius? Radius is given here 3.5 centimeter. Correct? We are putting the value of this r. This will be 3.5 is equals to 15.5. Transposing this term in right hand side, to h equals to 15.5 minus 3.5. We will subtract 3.5 from 15.5, so this will be 12. The value of height of the cone will be 12 centimeter. With the help of h and r, we will get the value of L. Students, we know very well L square is equals to h square plus r square. The value of h, this is 12 square, and the value of r, this is 3.5 all square. Now we will solve. Square of 12, this is 144, square of 3.5. So we will get here 12.25. After adding, we will get here 25, 156.25. This is the value of L square. So L will be square root of 156.25. Students, we will find square root of 156.25. How will we find square root? We know very well. So square root of 156.25, we will make two pairs, pair of 2 from right side. So this is 25, this is 56, and 1 is alone. We will write here 1 1. correct? 1 1 ja 1, and we are adding here 1. Now we will write here 56. 1 plus 1, this will be 2. We will write a number, same number here, and after doing multiply, this number should not be greater than 56. We are writing here 2, 2, so this will be 44. Now we are subtracting 4 from 6, so this is 2 and this will be 1. And now we are writing here next pair 25. We are adding unit place digit, this is 2, 2 to 4, and this is 2. Now we'll write here 0.5, this is 5. After doing multiply, we'll get here 2 to 5, 1 2 to 5, correct? Means the square root of 156.25 will be 12.5 centimeter. This is the value of slant height, sorry, this is the value of slant height. Now what will be, what we have to find? We have to find total surface area of this solid, correct? You can see in the figure. How will we find total surface area of this figure? Students, we know very well total surface area of this solid. We will find, we will do painting on the surface. So we can paint the curved surface area of the hemisphere and curved surface area of the cone. So this will be the total surface area of this whole solid, correct? So we'll write here total surface area of solid is equals to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere, correct? Students, we know the formula. Curved surface area of the cone, this will be pi r l, plus curved surface area of the hemisphere, this is 2 pi r square. Students, now we will put all the values. We have to put the value of l, so we have got l equals to 12.5 after solving after solving this part. Now pi, this is 22 by 7, and the value of r, this is given here 3.5, correct? And the value of l, this is 12.5 plus 2, the value of pi, this is 22 by 7, and the value of r, this is 3.5. Square we have here, so we will write here 3.5 into 3.5, 7 5s are 35, correct? This is 12.5 here, 7 5s are 35, correct? Now we will do multiply. We will do multiply here, we will do multiply here. After adding, we will get the total surface area of this solid, correct? Students, our question number 4 from NCERT book. A cubical block of 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere, and find total surface area of the solid? Students, first of all, we will make figure of this. We have a cubical block. Students, we have a cubical block of side 7 centimeter. Students, what is the side of this cubical block? This is 7 centimeter. And they are saying we have a hemisphere, correct? Surmounted on a cubical block. So we are making a hemisphere. We are making here hemisphere which is mounted on the cubical block. And what is the greatest diameter? They are asking what is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere. You can see here what is the side. This is 7 centimeter, and diameter will be, this diameter will be 7 centimeter, correct? Means diameter will be 7 centimeter, so radius will be 7 upon 2 centimeter, correct? And let the side of the cube be a. The value of a will be 7 centimeter, correct? Now we have to find total surface area of this. We have to find total surface area of this solid. You can see this is the base of the hemisphere, and we have pasted this hemisphere on one surface of the cube. Students, what will we do here? We will use again painting concept. we will do painting on the surface of the solid, correct? You can do painting on every surface of the cube except this circle, correct? So we will subtract area of this circle from total surface area of the cube, and you can do painting on the curved surface area of hemisphere, correct? So what is the total surface area? Surface area of cube minus area of circle plus total surface area of the curved surface area of the hemisphere. So we'll write here total surface area, total surface area of solid, correct? So this will be curved surface area of hemisphere, or we are starting from cube, correct? Total surface area of cube minus area of circle minus plus curved surface area of hemisphere, correct? So students, this is the formula to find total surface area of this solid. Okay, now the total surface area, what is the total surface area of the cube? We know very well, this is 6a square minus area of circle, this is pi r square, plus curved surface area of hemisphere, this is 2 pi r square. This will be 6a square. Now 2 pi r square minus pi r square, so this will be pi r square, and values are given here. The side of the cube is 7 centimeter and radius is 7 upon 2 centimeter. We are putting all the values. We will get here 6 into a 7 square plus pi, this is 22 by 7 into r. What is the value of r? This is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, correct? Because r square we have here, so we are writing here 7 by 2, 7 by 2. Now 7 cancel out, 2 how many times? 11 times. 7 into 11, this is 77. 77 upon 2, 77 upon 2, so this will be 2 3 just 6, 2 8 16, 2 5 10. So this will be 38.5. 7 7 is 49. 49 into 6. 9 6 is 54. 5 6 4 is 24. So this will be 294. 294.0. Now we are adding both. 5 plus 0, this will be 5, correct? 8 plus 4, this is 12, carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 and 3, 13, carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So your answer will be 332.5 centimeter square. Students, this is the total surface area of this solid. This will be your answer, correct? Students, your question number 5. A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Students, now we will make a figure with the help of this data. Now what is given here? They are saying that we have a wooden block, cubical wooden block, correct? So we are making a cubical wooden block. Correct? What is the side of this cubical wooden block? This is L. The side of the cube is L. Now they are saying a hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block. So we are cutting out a cubical wooden block from one surface of the cube. We are cutting out and we are taking out this hemisphere from one surface of the cube. Means now we have a bowl inside this cube. Okay, we have to find total surface area of the remaining solid, and they are saying what is the diameter. Students, you know very well this side is L, so the diameter will be L and radius will be half of the diameter. So radius will be L upon 2. again we will use here painting concept. Okay, we can paint all the surfaces of this cube except this circle. Okay, now we are finding total surface area of block. So this will be total surface area of cube minus area of circle. Students, you know very well we can paint all the surfaces except area of this circle. We cannot paint area of this circle because we have taken out this hemisphere from one surface of the cube. Plus we can paint curved surface area of the hemisphere because we have a bowl inside this cube and we can do painting on curved surface area. So we are adding curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, and we know what is the total surface area of a cube. This is 6a square minus area of circle. You know students very well, this is pi r square, and plus curved surface area of a hemisphere, this is 2 pi r square. Now 6a square 2 pi r square minus pi r square, you will subtract this part from this part, so we will get here pi r square. This is the total surface area of the block. Now what will we do? We will put the value of a and r. Okay, now the value of a r, this is L upon 2, and side of the cube you can see here, this is L. Now we are putting the value of a and r. The value of a, this is L, so this will be 6a square plus, what is the value of this r? This is L by 2. We can put here pi L upon 2 whole square, and the value of a, this is L. We are putting here 6L square plus pi L square by 4. Now what is common here? L square is common. Okay, so 6 plus pi by 4, taking 1 in the denominator. So LCM of 4 and 1 will be 4. So this will be 24 plus pi unit squared. Okay, so we can write here L square by 4, and we can write here pi plus 24 unit square. Now our next question is, a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each end. The length of entire capsule is 14. You can see here, but a figure is also given here. The length of entire capsule is 14 millimeter and diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Diameter is 5 millimeter. Find surface area of the capsule. So students, you can see here we have a cylindrical part. If we will break this part, so we have a cylinder, correct? And there are two hemispheres on both the ends. Suppose the length of the cylindrical part, this will be h, and the radius of the hemisphere be r. This is also r. The value of h plus r plus r, h plus r plus r, this will be 14, means h plus 2r will be 14 millimeter. This is given in our question. H plus 2r is equals to 14, and the value of radius, this is also given here. Diameter is 5, so radius will be half of diameter, this will be 5 upon 2 millimeter. Students, again we will use here painting concept. How will we do paint on this surface of the capsule? Correct? First of all, we will do painting on curved surface area of a cylinder and curved surface area of two hemisphere. We can do painting on the curved surface area of a cylinder and curved surface area of two hemispheres. So this will be the total surface area of the solid. Now we will find total surface area of capsule. Total surface area of the capsule, this will be curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area, okay, curved surface area of two hemispheres. Two hemispheres. So we are putting the value. What is curved surface area of a cylinder? 2 pi r h plus 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere. This is 2 pi r square. If 2 pi r is common, we are taking here 2 pi r common. So inside the bracket, we will write here 2 pi r common, h plus 2r. Students, you can see here, what is the value of h plus 2r? This is 14. So we'll put this whole value is 14 into radius. This is, we can see here, 5 upon 2 into pi. This is 22 by 7 and into 2. Now 2 cancel out. 7 2 ja 14. Now we will do multiply. 5 2 ja 10 and 10 into 22. This will be 222 millimeter square. Students, this will be the total surface area of this entire capsule. Students, our next question is, a tent is in the form of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4.1 meter respectively, and slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the surface area of the tent. Okay, we have to find surface area of the tent, and they are saying that there is no cloth in the base of the tent. We are making a figure according to this data. They are saying that we have a cylindrical part of the tent, and the top of the tent is a cone. Okay, and we are not using cloth in the base of the cylinder. Correct? Students, we will find total surface area of this tent. How will we find? You can see, if we are using painting concept, the curved surface area of the cylinder, we can paint it, and curved surface area of the cone means we will add both the surface area of curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. Students, we will write here what is the height. They have written here the diameter and height respectively given here. They have written here what is the, if the height and diameter of the cylindrical part, this diameter is given here 4 meter, correct? So what is the height of cylindrical part? This is 2.1 meter. And what is radius? Because diameter is given here, diameter is 4, so radius of the base will be 2 meter, correct? And slant height of the cone is given here. What is the slant height of the cone? This is given here 2.8 meter. Okay, now we will write here, let the height of the cylindrical part will be h and radius be r, and slant height of this cone will be l. So values of r, this is 2 meter, height this is 2.1 meter, and slant height this is 2.8 meter of the cone, correct? Now total surface area of tent is equals to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. Now students, what is the curved surface area of a cylinder? You know formula, 2 pi r h plus curved surface area of cone, this is pi r l. We are putting all the values. 2 pi, this is 22 by 7, and radius is given here. What is radius? Radius is 2, and height is 2.1 plus the value of pi, this is 22 by 7, and radius this is 2, and slant height this is 2.8. Now we will solve this part. 7 3 ja 21 and 7 4 ja 28. Okay, this will be 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 44, multiply by 3 2 ja 6, so this is 0.6 plus 44 into 0.4. Okay, 6 4 ja 24, carry 2, 6 4 ja 24 and 2 26, so this will be 26.4 plus 4 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16 and 117. Okay, now we'll add both. 6 plus 4, this is 10, carry 1, and 7 plus 6, 13, plus 1, 14, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3, and 1, 4. So this will be 44 meter square. So total surface area of this tent will be 44 meter square. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Find total surface area of the remaining solid. Correct? So students, we will make a figure by this given data. We have a cylindrical part and height and diameter are given here. What is the height of the cylinder and what is the diameter of the cylinder? Height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is given here 1.4, so radius will be 0.7. Correct? Radius is 0.7 centimeter, and they are saying if we are cutting a conical cavity of same height and same radius, we are cutting a conical cavity, means we are cutting this cone and we are taking out from the cylinder, and we have to find total surface area. We have to find total surface area of the remaining solid. Correct? Again students, we will use painting concept. Okay, so we can paint curved surface area of the cylinder. You can paint area of this circle, and we have conical cavity inside. Correct? So we have conical hole inside. We can paint this curved surface area of cone. Means total surface area of this remaining solid will be curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone plus area of circle. So this will be the total surface area of this remaining solid. Now what will we do here? Total surface area of solid. This will be CSA, curved surface area of cylinder, plus area of circle. Area of circle plus curved surface area of cone. So students, we will put all the values here. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH plus area of circle, this is pi r square, and curved surface area of cone, this will be pi r L. Students, we need L also. Correct? So we will write here L square is equals to H square plus R square. So L square equals to H, the value of H, this is 2.4 whole square, plus the value of R, this is 0.7 whole square. After solving this part, we will get here 5.76 plus 0.49. So this will be 6.25. Finding square root of 6 to 6.25, this will be 2.5 centimeter. Means length height of the cone, this will be 2.5 centimeter. What is the height? Height is 2.4. We'll write here the given data. Height, this is 2.4. Okay, and the L, we have got here L 2.5. And what is the radius? Radius of this cone and cylinder, both are same. R is equals to 0.7 centimeter. This is also in same in centimeter. Correct? Now we are putting all the values here. So this will be 2 pi will be 22 by 7. Radius, this is 0.7. Height, this is given here 2.4 plus the value of pi, this is 22 by 7 into radius. What is the radius? This is 0.7. Whole square means we will write it 2 times, and plus pi, this is 22 by 7. Radius, this is 0.7, and L, this is 2.5. Correct? 7 0.1 time, 7 0.1 time, 7 0.1 time. We will do multiply of all the terms. We will do multiply of all the terms. We will do multiply of all the terms. When you will add all, we will get here 17.6 centimeter square. So this will be the total surface area of this remaining solid. Understood everyone? And we will write it 18 centimeter square approx. In NCERT book the answer is 18, but the exact answer is 17.6 centimeter square. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere as shown in the figure 12.11. According to the book, if the height of cylinder is 10 centimeter, what is the height of the cylinder? This is 10 centimeter, and base is of radius 3.5 centimeter. The base of this article is 3.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the solid. Students, we have to find total surface area of the solid. Again, we are using painting concept. Where will we paint? On the surface of the article, in the curved surface area of the cylinder and curved surface area of two hemispheres, because we have two hemispheres on both the ends, correct? So curved surface area of the cylinder plus 2 into curved surface area of the hemispheres. Students, we will find here total surface area of article is equals to total surface area of the article. This will be curved surface area of cylinder plus 2 into curved surface area of hemispheres. We can write here. Now what is the curved surface area of the cylinder? We know very well, 2 pi r h, plus 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere. We know this is 2 pi r square. This is 2, the value of pi, this is 22/7, and radius is given here 3.5, into height, this is 10, plus 2 to the 4 into pi, this is 22/7, and what is the radius? 3.5 square. So we'll write here 2 times 3.5 into 3.5. Okay, now 7 5 ja 35, 0 and point. We can remove this point here. 2 5 ja 10, and 10 into 22, this will be 220, plus 7 5 ja 35, 4 5 ja 20, 2.0 into 22, this will be 44, into 3.5. So we can do multiply here, 3.5 into 44, 4 5 ja 20, 4 3 ja 12, and 2 14. This will be 0 4 1 0, and 4, this will be 5, this will be 1. So 154, after multiplying, we'll get here 154 and 220. Students, when you will add na, so you will get here 4, and this will be 7, this will be 213 centimeter square. So total surface area of this article will be 374 centimeter square.